Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. This is a great one. You see the effects are nice and everything looks amazing. So let's see how we can create this. At first we need to add a new slide. Okay, in the new slide you need to create this thing. All the hard thing is creating this thing. So how we can create that? It's really easy. You need to have just installed one text type and the other thing is just ready. You write THE or other things you want, and after that here change it to overdrive sans and increase the font to something you want. 70 is not good, it's better to be across this type, or if you want you can make it bigger also. So then try to create as many as copy as you want. You see, something like this. By holding Ctrl, you can create a lot of copy of that. Then select all of them by Ctrl A. Make them one shape. So you create your shape. You see, it's really great. Now what you need to do, you need to create two shapes. So how you can create that? You need to create a rectangle from here. Select both of them and make them fragment. You see, then copy that, choose here and make it union. Then another time make it union. Then select both of them. Don't forget to go here and set the shape outline to none and shape fill to black. Now you just need to paste your text. Okay. Now what you need to do, you need to copy this slide here, bring this out, and color this black. And also we are using the volume display light for this font. It's a nice one. Now bring this slide to front. Let me wait. Sometimes it's crashed. Oh no, it's crashed. I need to wait a little time. Okay. Sometimes this happens, it's not important. You need to bring that slide to the top. Okay. And set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. Let's take a look. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.